Hey guys, it's Nelson with iOS softModder, and I just downloaded the iOS 7 GM version for developers. And one of the newest things that people are going crazy over, or just that want to know about, is the ringtones and the new wallpapers. So I'm going to go through it. I've literally just downloaded it, so I just skimmed through it really quickly, so I didn't really get to listen to it. But I'm going to head over to... Okay, just go to settings, sounds, and I'm going to go through the ringtones. So up here, you can already see that there's these are all new. You can go through the classic ones, but yeah, these are all the new ones. So I'm going to go through all the new ones. So opening is the new default version of it, so I'm going to click it. Whoops. So yeah, that's the new, just default ringtone for the new iOS 7. And now I'm going to go quickly through all the other ones. They're all in alphabetical order. Maybe there's like 15 or 20 new ones. So let's get in. Those are so cheesy, but... That was pretty cool. Okay, so those are the ringtones. Now I'm going to go through the alert tones. It's a bit shorter. It's only like 10, maybe 12, 15? No, less. Okay, so I'll go through those really quickly as well. And that's it. And all the classic ones are here, in case you miss the old ones. Like I said, the classic ones are here in the ringtones as well. So you can, but you can check out those there. So yeah, these are all the new ringtones that you can have. And now I'm gonna go to wallpapers and see the stock wallpapers. Here are the dynamic ones. You can see that bubbles will start to appear. It's basically the same thing, just different colors. You can see them moving around. And for stills, there's several new ones. I like this one. This one's cool. I haven't seen these, so you guys are just looking at them with me. I'm just gonna click on the ones that I think I like, since just beautiful nature shit. Whoa, there's a bunch. Okay. There's these. These are mimicking the colors of iOS, of the new iOS, which is very, very colorful. It might not be for everyone, but yeah, that's it. Alright, thanks guys. Once I've checked out iOS 7 GM more, I'm gonna put up some other videos, so just, you know, just like, comment, subscribe, and just check out more of our videos after I'm done just going through all this. Alright, thanks guys.